Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue our training where we prepare for Elastic Observability Engineer exam. And today we will start a new topic and the last one, which is working with observability data. So we will see how we can find anomalies in observability data using predefined machine learning job in Kibana. So we already saw a few examples or how to use a machine learning job. 1 second, let me just search for it. Yes, so here we saw it in metrics, we saw it in logging, right? And here find anomalies in observability data using predefined machine learning jobs, which mean you will not define your own, like in this one, you will not define, like we will just enable the predefined machine learning and try to answer questions. Let's jump to our environment. If you don't know how to enable, or let me go to the machine learning first. So if you don't know how to enable, we did it last time from both. Here from observability, we have the inventory, and here you see anomaly detection. If you click here, you can enable both host or Kubernetes pods machine learning, and like we already created from here, the same for logs, right? So you can define or you can enable the predefined machine learning. So it's already enabled from my end. Now to answer the question, you can stay here. Like if it is for logs, then you can stay here and depend on the question, right, in your scenario. So for us, for example, here for the logs, if the question is related to the logs, then you can stay here. We have anomalies. And here you click, for example, it's if they specify, or you can find it for sure in the question, what exactly you want to look for. It's for syslog or for metric bit of the agent. Like this is a few examples that I have, but during the exam, for sure you will have more and different data sets. Then you choose the right one. So if you click here, you will get, so the question for sure, don't forget to set the right time range. And here's the question, like it said, what's the most criticality, or what's the most critical anomaly score here? So you can find the answer here, right? The second one is this one, and so on and so forth. What's the anomaly? You can copy paste the anomaly. Like here it's 17.5 X more logs messages in the data sets that's expected, right? That's why this is we have an anomaly, and that's why it's 80,000. When it's happened here. Was the data sets or data sets you already selected here, right? If you want to get some details, right, from this one, then you can click, or if you want to go to see the anomaly in the anomaly here in the machine learning, so you can click from there, or you can come here, you find machine learning, and you choose a single metric and you choose the right one, right? So here, if you want, for example, to zoom a little bit on the specific time zone, then you can select it here, and here you get the timestamp or the time. Here you get the severity, here the detector. So the detector in our case here is count. We have only one. So we select the count, and this is the more details, like what we get. So we typically get 63. If we multiply it by 6 times, we will get this value, right? If you want to take more deep, like if you want to configure the job rules, or if you want to go to discover, then you can come here. If you want to open and to read about the configuration or more details about this anomaly or this machine learning job, then you can do it from here. We have another view. If you want to see the anomaly here, then here we have the influencers, right? Based on the data sets. So here we have the APM, file beat, syslog, metric beat, agent, and fleet server. And here we have all the three, or all the anomalies with the score, with the description, with everything, right? If you want to see some specific, like just on the server influencer, for example, then you can filter from here, right? Like to filter just on the APM server or specific influencer, then you can select it here, and here you find the answer, right? With that being said, I will see you in the next video.